I actually just got back from the gym, but I really wanted to do this haul with you guys because I got so much good stuff. So here we go. This is from Costless. They have 2 locations, one in La Habra and one in Orange. So gonna start off with some little things, but I got these for super inexpensive, like some things even more than 75% off. So we're starting off with this weighted jump rope, originally $20, and I got it for $4. This humidifier, or diffuser, sorry, a diffuser, this was only $5. I got a whole pack of liquid IV. This usually retails for $25, got this for $15. Moving on to some household items. Dante and I are tired of using our Swiffer because it doesn't really pick up the dirt. We actually need a full-on mop now. So they had this spin mop for only $20. So I had to get this. And then the best part. I have seen tons of people use this little gadget to cook some amazing meals, and I feel like it might just like inspire me to cook more. But I got this air fryer oven. This is huge, and it was only $60. I don't even know, like, go get this. This one is huge. It serves 6+ people. It's a 10 quart, so I could definitely like host a whole party and cook things in here. But yeah, it was only $60, and the smaller ones were only like, I don't know, like a little bit less, so I figured why not, let's go big. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys my haul from Costless. Again, they have 2 locations, one in Orange, one in La Habra, and they had so much other stuff. They had pool floaties, they have clothes. I don't think I showed you guys, but I got like a cute little workout outfit. They had like a couple of t-shirts that I got, also some leggings, a sports bra. This sports bra was only $8, which is insane. But yeah, if you're in Orange County or just love a good deal, check out Costless, and I will talk to you guys later.